Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetics YouTube channel. Today we are coming back with again a great information for you, that is Tata Elxsi job process. A great company, a great culture over there. How to get this job and what are the process that happen to get into this company. So Elxsi offered two profiles only for freshers, that is software engineer and embedded engineer. And the salary package offered by Tata Elxsi for the freshers is 3.50 LPA. That means 3.5 lakh per annum. Okay, what written and online test will be happened over there. Okay, and 90 minutes exam of that. Okay, and medium level question, that means aptitude and reasoning, they are not so much tough, they are medium level. Okay, need to pass in every section. Okay, so there are multiple section in particular written test, that is maybe online or maybe offline. Due to if we see current scenario, then this will be definitely online. And so you need to pass and qualify in every section like aptitude, reasoning. Okay, after, if you clear the written online round, then you will be have a technical interview from the associates of Tata Elxsi, def- of course, and depend on the profile which you have applied over there, you will be asked some questions regard from the subjects. Like if you have applied for embedded software embedded engineer, then you will be asked from networking, digital logic design, EDC, microcontroller, etc. That means EC based subjects. And if you have applied for software engineer, then if you will be asked some questions from C, C++, Java, OS, DS, and uh, basically from computer science engineering subjects. Okay, and resume based questions for both, it is applies for every job, because you have have, if you have applied anywhere in and at any company, then you will be asked from your resume. Okay, and if you qualify technical round, then it's very more likely to you will going to join that company, and it's 90% done. And HR interview is something that they want to know about you, it's more about you, and the driver of this interview will be you. Okay, so don't lose here, because if you lose here, then it will be little bit bad for you also. Okay, so what are the HR interview? In HR interview, they are looking for about you, that they want to know about you, they want to test your communication skill, then you can handle, you can talk to client, you can talk to colleagues very well, and you are team working or not. And your question, if you have any questions regarding the company, then you can ask it to your HR. Okay, so only three steps to get into this company, three processes happen during an process of job in Tata Elxsi. Okay, so what are the educational qualification for for this company? 80% and above in 10th 12th diploma. Okay, so you must be 80% above. Okay, must be and 70% and above in BE BTech. So if you have if you got 7 more than 70% in BTech, Bachelor of Technology or Bachelor Engineering, then this is great opportunity for you. And if you don't, then try to come here after some experience. Okay, so no backlog in graduation, make sure that you passed every semester exam without any backlogs. No backlogs will be uh, allowed there. Okay, so this is all about Tata Elxsi. This is a little process, not much hard. You can easily get into this job if you, and this is really a great company. I, from my side, I must say that this is a really great company, because you are going to work on very real things over there. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.